Introducing the 2020 Jeep Compass. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control. Don't settle for average when you can have excellent. Drive the Compass.